Alright, now let us talk about the third way of doing renewal, or I should say auto renewal, is with the help of on-demand renewal. So I'll just open this config settings. So in this config settings, under installed product settings, you can go here and you can check renewal execution mode. So this is auto or it could be on demand. So when you set it to on demand, it works in a different way. So what does that mean? So it means that anything which is about to expire in a certain days, that will consider under renewal configuration. So here I can give the lead time. So let's say I'm writing as 120. Any asset which is about to expire in 120 days has to go through the renewal. Okay. And for that, now how it actually works is, I'll just show it to you. So this is the high level diagram of on-demand renewal. So consider that there are 3 sales rep, they are working for one account and they have created 3 opportunities over the time, and in each cart there are 2 type of products added. One where auto renew is true, okay, and those where auto renew is false. So consider 100 products here added with auto renew true, here also 100, here also 100, and 100 and 50 you can consider for those where auto renew is false. So each card is having 150 products. Okay, now they get activated, their asset is ready. So this is the asset box, all are active, asset is ready, and let's say these assets are going to expire in 120 days. So what you will do, you will run this job. Which job? I will tell you which job to run. You will run that job for this particular account. So generally what we do, we give one button on the account level itself. On click of that, it will trigger that job for that particular account. Okay, and it will find out what are the assets which are about to expire in this 120 days. Now why 120 days? It is finding for 120 days because that's what we are setting up here in the custom setting. So this field is important. Okay, what is the renewal lead time? You want to set it to 120 days, you want to set it to 60, depends on how much time your sales rep needs. Okay, now once this is done, here it will go ahead and create 2 types of opportunities or 2 types of cards basically. So one card it will create for those line items where auto renew is true. So here in each there were 300 line items, there were 100 line items with auto renew true. So this card will have total 300 line items. Okay, and this one will have 150 line items. Those with auto renew false, they have to again need sales rep to activate to present it and to create the order and do the activation. All that would be needed sales rep in between. But those where auto renew is true, for them only order activation would be pending, no signature and all required, and then it will go for renewal. So this is the high level on demand renewal process which happens. And see, here we were getting 300 card. Now let's say your system is not good for 300 line items into one card. So that also you can manage from the custom setting itself. You can mention that each card should not go above 50 line items. So in that case, here you will get, for here you will get you were getting 300, so you will get 6 now, and here you are getting 150, so you will get 3. Okay, so total 6. So now, so here you are getting 300 products into single cart, but now after that custom setting, you will have not one cart, but you will have total 6 carts, each with 50 products. And also the same for those where auto renew is false. There also you will not have over 50 cart line items. You will have total 3 carts then. Okay, so that is the purpose of this particular setting. And also you can do some price book settings here if you want to default any price book so that sync does not fail. That's why you can just add the price book here, or you can do some automation on the opportunity level itself. Okay, and then, so now let us look at the code which we need to invoke. Okay, so here this is the code you need to invoke from the account level. So here you will pass the account IDs on which you want to check the renewal, and this is the code that should run. Okay, this is the class and this is the namespace, and you have to call this method do submit job. So this is for account mode when you want to run it for account, but when you want to do it for product, then this is the code. Okay, here first you set the lead time. Here first you set the product lead times, and then you run it for these lead times you want to check. You can pass more than one lead time also. So for these lead times you can check, and then it will run for all the assets. So any asset which are having 20, 5, 100 or 30 as the lead time, for all that renewal things will work. So there are two modes, account mode and product mode. Alright, so this is about renewal.